Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to search message by date in WhatsApp. Friends, if you are searching a old message, then you can very easily search that message in WhatsApp. So in WhatsApp, you need to open the chat in which you want to search for a message. Now to search for a message by date with this person, you simply need to press on these three dots and here you need to press on search. After appearing of search window, you simply need to press on this calendar icon. Now select the date. I want to select date of January, so change the month, and from here I will select 30th January 2024. After selecting date, press on OK. Now it will automatically take me on the chats of that particular date. So friends, like this you can very easily search a message by date in WhatsApp. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.